Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be trying my first ever mini twist since my big job. It's been 3 months or 4 months since my big job, and I've been wanting to do this type for a very long time. And I know this is something you've been interested in. If you're new here, you're welcome. And for a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Now let's get started. Okay guys, before I proceed further, let me explain what's going on here. I tried to see the back of my head by casting my TV with my other phone at the back through my camera. But guys, this thing was not easy. I don't know how people do it though. But the ones I've seen in videos I've seen so far, they did it at some point. It was even going on. Guys, it was so frustrating. Myself was one that helped me to, section the hair like this. Please ignore the way my hair is looking. It's actually moisturized and clean. Like, just ignore the way it's looking. But one I did like that for easy takedown. You get. So I'm just taking it down to moisturize it and then start twisting. Okay guys, backstory. 6 years ago when I first went natural, I hated this mini twist, Jesus. Like, I hated it so much. Though I was doing it then, no, but my sister was forcing me to do it. I hated this thing, especially the ones that they would put cornrows by the side, tiny cornrows by the side. I hated it so much. Like, I didn't like it, but she was forcing me to do it, and I was just doing it because, she was one paying for it and all that. I did not know what the reason was, but I just did not like it as of then. But now, I'm falling in love. I love it. Like now, like the ones I'm seeing, they are so fine. So before I start twisting, I do a little brace at the root just to hold this firmly before I twist all the way down. But you can start yours with twist. Just do what works for you. Either way is still okay. I do mine like that just to hold this firmly at the root so that it won't look, it won't loosen easily. Even though it's not looking perfect, it's not looking neat. It doesn't have to look perfect, right? Just enjoy the process and have fun while you're at it. Get that girl? So after I was done, I did some finishing touch here and there to keep everything in place, and then I oiled my scalp to make it look smooth and more shiny. And here is the final look. What a confidence booster. Look at the highlight. Fling, fling, fling. Okay guys, we'll come to the end of this video. And I'll be keeping this mini twist in for like 2 weeks to 1 month or more. And if I'm feeling fly, 6 months to 1 year. Okay, let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this mini twist or if you did. And let me know how long you'll be keeping them in. Bye. See you in my next video, and also do not forget to like and subscribe and share this video to someone who would like to do it.